So mo ti guys, kami pa nakauna bisig mga procrastinator mi.
Yes.
Right?
Himala. Uy, basing pipro kayo ako lips dira babala.
Okay. So yes, so mga to bahala ka sir times bisag kanang love ka na ko. Actually guys, nakoy crush diri sa VSU. Sadly, married na lang siya. Yes. Kabalo akong best friend ano. It's bad.
Di ba tulong mo secret admirer?
Tulong me, pero ako di original, promise.
Since first year pa lang.
Since first year pa lang ning pound na ako ang chest, dili lang akong chest mo ning pound.
Kanang dili ra kay ang isa ka lips ang nag-smile.
Yes. Both lips, up and down.
Smile.
Yes.
A tear rolled down my thigh. Hoy!
Hala! Ala kang Sabrina Carpenter?
Yes. Uy, kaya
Tears run down my thighs.
kanang kang Taylor nga, his love is
Ow.
the key that opened my...
Oh, kadungog ko na.
Sa tuwitay ko lang.
Even though I don't like Taylor Swift, unlike my friends, pero since they're my friends, I'll tolerate their favorite. Yes. Favorite mo po ng Mama's Taylor.
And we're done.